ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 70 Update Queries. An update query will update a specific field within a table or tables. For example, increasing all prices by 10%, changing a name of a product, etc. Okay, let's open the CIA database and open the products table and note the prices of the first 5 items. So there's the £4, £150, £10, £20 and £34. Okay, close the table and start a new query in Design View. We're going to base it on the products table, and from the query type area on the Design tab, select Update. Place the price field onto the grid, and in the Update to, enter price, that's in square brackets, multiplied by, that's star, 1.1. And in criteria, enter greater than or equal to 10. This will update prices of all products which originally cost £10 or more by 10%. Click the Datasheet button to view the data that will be updated, and then return to Design View and run the query. Click Yes at the Update prompt. Save the query as Update Prices. And then close it. Open the products table again and view the updated prices for the first 5 records. All prices for products that used to cost £10 or more are now increased by 10%. Close the table and view the Update Prices query in Design View. There's been a management decision to increase prices by a further 5%. So, change the calculation to price multiplied by 1.05 and then run the query. Click Yes at the prompt. Now let's save and close the query and open the products table to check the modified prices. So as an example, for product ref CR1, the price started as £150, it was increased by 10% to £165, and then that £165 was increased by a further 5% to give a new price of £173.25. With regard to the AC1, it started off as £4 and there was no increase at all because it wasn't originally £10 or more. Okay, let's close the products table and then close the database. So we've now finished section 9, Action Queries. We've discussed append queries, delete queries, make table queries, and update queries. Now it's your job to test your understanding of this chapter by having a go at Lesson 71 and also Lesson 72. Okay, the next section will be section 10, which will start in the next lesson. It's on the topic of query wizards, and we're going to look at cross-tab queries, queries for finding duplicates, and queries for finding unmatched records. Okay, I hope this is still making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.